A powerful understanding or perhaps lesson meets you where you're at today, dear Virgo, and that is that you're not in competition with anybody on this planet. And it doesn't have to be this big, wild competition. And this is important because it gives you the opportunity to recognize how much of your life and decisions you've made based on the idea that you're in competition. And based on the idea that you're in competition with others, by the way. And based on the idea that you're in competition with others, your nervous system is like this, like constantly, and moments of calming and then like this again. And so what meets you where you're at today, the understanding or the lesson, is there to support your nervous system to go, okay, it's okay. Okay, I am safe. I don't have to compete with others. I don't have to show the world that I'm enough, that I'm something, that I'm valuable, that I don't have to do all of that. I never needed to do all of that. However, operating in that way was for a reason. We can't dismiss that. We can't go, oh, you're an idiot. Didn't you know you shouldn't be competing with other people? No, of course I didn't know that. Of course that comes from somewhere. And so it's about nurturing that part of you, really taking these filters off and going, wow, you have operated from a space of competition. Let's say, as an example, majority of your life, and I can see where that comes from, and I can understand why you would operate in such a way. I can also see how that's affected your nervous system. I can see how that's affected your body, your mind, and the way that you show up in this world. Wow. And maybe sometimes I'm sorry that you felt that that's how you had to operate and be in this world. I'm sorry that nobody told you that, hey, you are enough just the way you are in this present moment right now. And so you didn't know any different. But I know different. I'm in a different place. And I can guide you and I can lead you. And I'm sorry for however that must have felt for you. I'm just saying however that must have felt because hopefully you're taking the time to listen to that part of you. So I don't know how that would have felt. What I'm sharing here with you is an exercise that's going to be important for you to do in your life as much as possible to all these different parts of you that continue to arise rather than shutting them down. We'll leave it at that today.